Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on Do Not Disturb mode, how to turn it off using quick settings in Realme 14 Pro phone. First of all, how to access quick settings. On the main screen we need to swipe from the top edge down again, and here we have our quick settings shortcuts. So we are looking for Do Not Disturb mode. Here it is. We can tap it once. Now DND is on. We have this half moon symbol on the top, and we can turn it off by tapping it once again. If we tap and hold the option here, we will be transported to Do Not Disturb settings, as you can see, so we can change a few options. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.